Hey guys, so in this video you're gonna see me buffing and polishing this pendant. It is after it was patinaed and I had already scrubbed it with some stainless steel and some steel wool as well as a wire brush to make sure it got really in there in the niches. Now I am buffing the pendant with a soft polish that I had already put on there prior to the video. I am highlighting the top parts and the pieces that I want to shine and kind of stick out to you while you're looking at the piece in person. I'm going to speed through this part of the video. It's kind of just me constantly going over every different spot, getting into little corners, looking at it, seeing what I think needs a little bit more shine to it. Something I would also like to touch upon is try different tips when you're using a Dremel and do not press hard at all. If anything, just keep going over the same spot until you achieve the look you're trying to get. You don't need to use high settings at all. I always put it on a 1 or 2, and this is actually a Dremel Lite. Once I'm finished buffing the piece, I then polish the piece. I use Renaissance wax. It's available on Rio Grande. I mean, that's where I got mine anyway. And I'll gently rub the top of the cab or the glass pendant in this case, and the top of the copper and any little edges and pieces that I want to have a protection on them so that they last longer and the shine stays longer. Any kind of jewelry tarnishes over time, so this is a way to keep the shine longer and more beautiful. So at this point, I am polishing the bail as much as I can. I'm really rubbing at the top and trying to make sure that the pieces that I want to have the copper exposure are shown the best that they can. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video and I hope it helps you out in your wire wrapping. Be sure to check out my website, satarts.com.